I told myself 2020 is going to be my year, and I feel like Fit Queen definitely helped make that happen, like mentally and physically. Like I just feel like a whole different person, and like people have been commenting, like I posted a few bikini pics and all that, and people are just like, honestly, this energy that you're putting on Instagram, you're putting on Facebook, they're like, it's just a whole new energy. It's like a great energy. It's like, I can't even explain the energy, but it's like just the confidence that you exude is amazing. Oh. I was paying for a membership that I wasn't using. And that's when I just kind of, I ate, and I wasn't self-aware of all the food that I was eating. And I didn't realize that I was gaining all this weight. And then I stepped on the scale and I saw that it was like almost like 20 to 30 pounds more than what I had originally gone back with. And I wasn't able to fit into a lot of my clothes, and like I wore leggings and stuff, so it was like tight around my stomach and you could see the bulge. So that was like really upsetting. I think I just like lost hope, or like I just stopped caring, because it was like my relationship with food was more important than like how my body looked. And I just loved all the the delicious, like not so good food for you, like fast food all the time. So for a while there, I was just like not motivated. Like, I'm not happy with where I am in my life. Like, I need to focus on myself. And then I had saw the post that you had posted about, and then like talking to you and just realizing more about like, it's not just a weight loss journey, it's like reinventing yourself journey. I don't know, like just talking to you, it was just like, okay, that's like, I'm literally not here. It's not a money grab. Like, I'm literally here to help you become the best version of you that you can be. That was definitely like life-changing. And I felt like after doing that, like I've honestly been the best shape that I've ever been in. This is the lowest weight I've ever been, which is like kind of exciting. Honestly, I think the biggest transformation for me, like, yes, my body changed, but like mentally, it was just like so amazing. Like, I felt like a mental shift. Like, I felt so good. Like, it even helped with my anxiety, because I do have like really bad anxiety. I just felt like I felt lighter, and like just the transformation of my body too. It was like, okay, like I feel stronger, I feel healthier, like I don't feel tired, I don't feel gross. And you get to the point where you need to decide for yourself and not what anybody thinks, like if enough is enough. You want to be the best version of yourself, and you need to take care of yourself, and you need to put yourself first, and it's okay to be selfish. And by doing this, like, you're doing the best possible thing you can for yourself. Like, your body is the only place that you will ever live in your entire life. It's helped me in all aspects of my life, like my love life, my family life, like my social circle. Like, I just feel like it's just improved everywhere. So it's like my friend always said, it's not about seeing the whole staircase, it's just about taking the first step.